Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Leaning on the Everlasting Arms on guitar. First, we'll identify the core chords you need to know. Then, we'll break down a simple strumming pattern that fits the song perfectly. Finally, I'll guide you through practicing smooth transitions between these chords, helping you build confidence and play this beautiful hymn with ease. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to learn 3 fundamental chords: G major, C major, and D major. These form the backbone of the entire song. For strumming, try a simple down-down-up-up-down-up pattern. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Make sure your fretting hand fingers are pressing down firmly right behind the frets to get clear, ringing notes. This foundation is key. Effective practice is crucial for mastering this song. Start by practicing each chord individually until it sounds clear. Then, focus on slow, deliberate transitions between G and C, and then C and D. Don't rush. Consistency is more important than speed initially. Using a metronome can help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your rhythm over time. Keep at it, and you'll see progress. Once you're comfortable with the chords and strumming, try adding some feeling to your playing. Experiment with dynamics by varying how hard you strum, perhaps softer on the verses and stronger on the chorus. Listen to different artists' interpretations for inspiration. Remember, music is about expression. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.